Welcome to SPM Polytechnic Kumte, Solapur. Myself, Professor Sinde Devi, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today, I will give a video lecture on working of 4-stroke petrol engine. Everyone we ride on the bike or a vehicle, but we don't know what is the working of that engine, how the power is created to the bike with the help of the engine. Let us understand the working of this engine. This is a three-dimensional figure of the engine. Here we observe the cut section is taken in the engine. So we observe some internal parts that are present in the engine. These are the internal parts which we are going to study, where the power is created inside the engine. Now let us understand which are the parts present in this engine. Now first we'll see this is the engine cylinder, the whole engine cylinder. Here inside the cylinder, this is the piston which has a movement from, this is the top dead center, and this is the bottom dead center of the cylinder. The piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center, and from bottom dead center to the top dead center. This is the connecting rod, this is the crank, and this is the crankcase where we obtain the rotation. Now, at the top of the cylinder, here we observe the inlet valve. Here you observe other side the exhaust valve. Now this is the spark plug where the ignition, by which the ignition of the air fuel mixture takes place. So this is the construction of the 4-stroke engine. Now let us understand how these 4 strokes are obtained. In the first stroke, here the fuel mixture, that is inlet port, enters inside the cylinder by opening the inlet valve. Here we observe that the inlet valve is open and air fuel mixtures comes inside the cylinder, and this piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. This is called as a suction stroke, and in this only inlet valve is open and exhaust valve is closed. Now here is the end state where it enters at the bottom dead center. Now here the compression stroke takes place, that is air fuel mixture is compressed and piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. At this stroke, both the valves are in closed position. Here the compression we are looking, and the piston is moving from bottom dead center to top dead center. At the end of this compression stroke, the air fuel mixture is ignited by a spark plug. Now after the ignition, the air fuel mixture takes an explosion, and here we created a power stroke, and piston moves from top dead center to the bottom dead center, which is called as a power stroke. During this stroke, both the valves are closed. Now, after getting the power stroke, again the piston starts moving from bottom dead center to the top dead center. Let us have a look upon it, and which valve will be open and closed. Now here we look that piston is moving in the upward direction. Now when the piston moves in the upward direction, the exhaust valve is open, and there is the removal of the gas. This is the removal of the gas, that is the smoke. These are the movements which you have taken, that is inlet, exhaust, power stroke and exhaust strokes, and the movement of the piston from top dead center to bottom dead center and bottom dead center to top dead center. So here the one cycle is completed into the 4-stroke, so it is called as a 4-stroke engine. So this is the working of the 4-stroke engine which we are riding on our bike. Okay, thank you.